Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So AMC, is it real or is it fake, guys? Only time will tell. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Share our opinion and our thoughts on AMC. I know a lot of people is feeling a little more confident after today, even though it's just a drop in the bucket, guys. Like I say, no need to show any type of emotions towards the price action until we see that 100%, 200%, 300% day, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. AMC is trading at the hours at $18.40, guys. Solid day overall. We hit that main key level on today at $18.72. Once breaking above that level, this thing was destined to run up to $19, $20 per share. But like we know, sometimes it's not going to go exactly there. Whenever it breaks through a key level, sometimes they're going to further manipulate the price, pussyfoot around, and play grandma games, guys. Sometimes we can run straight up to that next level after breaking major resistance, just as we've seen we do when we broke 23. Just a couple weeks ago, we broke the main resistance at 23, blasted straight off to the high 20s, right at 30, 31, 32, 33, very quick and rapidly. When I was, I knew that was the case for it to happen whenever it happened. But like I told you guys, when we broke 23, I didn't expect for us to run up so, powerful the way we did, being for the fact of how manipulated the stock is and how, how they like to play games. So I just didn't expect for us to run up as hard as we did whenever we did, even though everything lined up perfectly for it to do exactly what it had did once it broke 23, going up to those levels, guys. So now we just broke another main resistance at $18.72 on the day, hit a high of $18.91. We didn't get that, that nice push what we was expecting after breaking through that resistance, because like I said, it's a little tricky right now, being for the fact that a lot of experienced and investors know that the bottom wasn't reached just yet. Not saying that it have to be cleared, because the market, the market makers, the algorithm of the market, it makes its own patterns, it makes its own dictation or whatever it is to come. We can't necessarily say that 9 times out of 10 gap fills usually be closed. But like in this instance and in this case, how volatile AMC is and how tricky it's trying to be, coming down to 13, 14, running up to 33, 34 in a matter of days, swinging all the way back down to 17 from 33, just to run right back up to 23, 30. So like I say, guys, and not saying that's, I'm just putting it out there, speaking on how it come, because right now it is a sticky, tricky situation. That's why I don't want to put anything out there, continue putting myself on the line and letting you guys know, because honestly, it's, it's either or. And like I say, whenever I'm in that position to where I don't actually know, because I'm never going to just say something and don't actually believe that or think that or have my homework all the way together to where that hypothesis makes sense. So with that being said, we know for a fact that it's a gap fill down to $15.72, $14 range at the breaking 20. But like I had stated, being for the fact that market makers know what experienced investors and day traders are looking for, that main key level they looking to load that boat up on, they could possibly not let it fulfill that gap just to mess with the psychological aspects of this. So, to keep people guessing, to keep people not, getting their desired amount of shares. So you already know, guys, it's a sticky situation right now. It's very tricky, which it's trying to be. And like I say, only time is going to be able to tell. We're not going to put anybody hopes out there or tell you this is about to happen or that is about to happen, and we don't even, really think that, because right now at this standpoint, we won't have a true reversal, true conviction to the upside that we already got true conviction. Don't twist my words around. I already told you guys, I know AMC is going to run back up. We only ran up one time, twice counting the last time we ran the 33. Like I told you, GME done did it 7 to 8 times. AMC is going to experience that same pattern, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, multiple times. We could run off the 30s again and come right back down to the teens. So don't be just saying how crazy the volatility is going to be in the ups and the swings of $20, $25 of this year, guys. So just be prepared for that. So you already know, like I was saying, nobody ain't want to put your expectations out there and tell you, oh, this is it, we going to the moon from here, and then we go back and close that gap fill. That's why it's tricky. But the bright side, the good thing is, but the simple fact that we're up today, we up 6%, we headed in the right direction, we broke through a major resistance. It's looking like we can continue to run up to 1920 and continue to run higher, guys. And you know, honestly, this would be a great psychological point to go ahead and push it further, and don't, you know, let it go back and retrace to that $15, $14 level, because that's what everybody was expecting. And that's what I'm trying to get you to, you know, to utilize and to figure out. Use AMC as a tool to learn as much as you can about the market. That's how the market can be tricky sometimes. It'll love to leave us, you know, wondering, like, dang, is we going back? Because if they don't close that gap fill and we continue to trend higher, you're going to keep thinking, is we going to have a reversal until we break through that main key level again? That's because up and coming, after breaking through what we broke through the day, the next levels is 20. We got to break through 20 bucks. Then we got to break through 23. And after breaking through 23, that will give us a real confirmation that this thing is ready to reverse and run hard, guys. So that's my take on it. That's my opinion on it, guys. You know, not to get anybody hopes up or any under that crazy mess. You already know, guys, we like to keep it real, keep it raw. I love you guys. Add me over there on Instagram at the B Hayes Show, and we out. We go.